Good morning everyone. So in this video I will show you a quick review about the new brand PACOONE. Right now they are going famous, and I will show you the PACOONE camping portable folding moon chair, aluminum chair best for outdoor camping. Also you can use it in your home. 69% off discount if you need. Check out my video description link. But as you know, real customer will always open your eye. If you check out in the left side, they share every single details, measurement, the size, everything. But if you learn from the real customer reviews and experience, it will help you because you will use the product for a long time. If you check out right now, 2000s plus sale, 2000s plus people already buy this product. You can see 4.9 rating, 596 reviews, so people are sharing their experience after using it. Click these reviews, you will see right now 506 reviews, all are 5 star. Now let me show you the truth. You can see the 5 star rating. This person said good quality, great value, packing was damaged but product was fine. You can see they shared the photo of the product that you will get after unboxing. That's why you need to check out the real people's reviews, because you need the real experience, because you will use this product. And if you don't know the feel, you can see this a great deal. You can see by the black color recently buy, you can see give a good review, share a photo. By the three, you can see it's looking great. Another person shared the PACOONE bags. You can see unpacking and shared the photos. Click view more to see more reviews. You can see this person share every single photo, and you can see the product quality is right now looking really great. By the black color, July 2024 buy it. You can see share the photo, the PACOONE brand. So this will be a great product you can use because people are giving good reviews. This person is strong looking, unique design, and give 5 star. So lots of people are giving good reviews. This person, you can see share it. So most of the people are happy. 69% off discount. And remember to check out the related product and always learn from the real customer reviews, because real customer will always help you to get the real experience. Make sure you also check out my YouTube others video. I share different reviews, help people with right guideline with discount coupons. Subscribe, hit the like button. See you in another new video.